Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about downloading songs on Spotify without having a premium account. So here's the thing, there's no legitimate way to download songs on Spotify without a premium account. If you're watching videos claiming to show you how, they're either scamming you or spreading misinformation. To be clear, Spotify free users can't download songs for offline listening. The reason for this is that Spotify makes money from the ads they play for free users. If you could download songs and go offline, they'd lose that revenue. However, there is a workaround. You can get a Spotify Premium free trial. If you head over to Google Chrome and search for Spotify free trial, you'll find offers like get 3 months of Spotify Premium for free. Once you have Premium, you can download songs and listen to them offline for the duration of the trial. But keep in mind that the free trial only lasts for a limited time. After that, you need to subscribe to Premium to continue downloading songs. So to wrap it up, there's no way to download songs on Spotify without Premium. But with a free trial, you can temporarily access that feature. I hope this video answers your question. If it helped, please drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer. See you next time.